Let's take a look at how RouterCAM nesting handles scrap parts, pieces left over from previous nest, or just scrap pieces you have in the shop. I'm going to select Nest. Most other CAM softwares don't address this issue. So first, if we go to our scrap bin, I'm going to select Scrap. We have white melamine scrap left over from the last job that we did. So these are left over, and these are automatically generated from the previous job. So these will be here from you when you process the job. But let's say I can either, if I've used them somewhere else, I can just simply delete them, or I can say add. And let's just on the fly, let's say I've looked out in the shop and I found that I have a 24 piece by say 97 left over from the last job. So I'm going to create these 3 scraps. You can also do this for various sizes of material, like your laminate and stuff like that, and you can have RouterCAM nest on the appropriate sheet size. So I'm going to select Save Data here. Now I'm just going to close my scrap bin. I'm going to select Import Job and open this job. Click OK here. It brings in all the parts. I'm going to tell it to nest by area. And if you look, what it did is it used all my scrap pieces. So here's the piece I just defined, 24 by 97. It used that piece. Then it used the 49 by 49 piece, and then used the 36 by 49 piece here. Used the 49 by 49 piece here, and then used the full sheet on the very last part of the nest. So it actually saved you 3 pieces of material here by using your scrap first. And again, most other CAM softwares don't even address this issue. So then when we click on RouterCAM nesting, and we tell it to create the code, here it comes creating the code, and it processes all the parts and stuff for you. It only cuts the scrap. On this particular nest, we didn't have any scrap left over, so there's no scrap in the bin. But that's one of the key features in RouterCAM as far as nesting, addressing some real issues that you have when you're nesting various sheets of material.